This is a great tip. That's something that I always do before I go traveling. I go to Google Maps, select the place that I want to record, come up here and select offline maps. Then select my map. See? Okay, let's put it over here. Okay, that's probably what I'm gonna use. And then I download it. What it does, it records at the cell. It's in Google Maps, but I need no Wi-Fi, no roaming, nothing. So if I'm someplace that there's no connection, I still have the map, and that's so important. Forget, you can come here and rename it. It's good to rename it because sometimes you have a lot of maps and you don't know which map it's what. What's which is what. Okay, New York City. Okay, so this way I have everything that I need for this trip. New York City, Jersey City, and JFK is the airport that I'm gonna arrive in. So I know that when I click here, that's the map of New York. If I have Wi-Fi or not, will be here with all my recordings, you know, all the places that I want to. The hard ones are the ones that I love. Yeah, I do love New York. I love a lot of places, but I have a special place in my heart for New York. Hope you like it. It's a tip that I always use. I can do, maybe if you do want a video all about how I use my Google Maps, please ask in the comments. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.